Hey guys, Kirk here from Treehouse 51, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on coupons for your WooCommerce WordPress website. So step number 1, log into the backend of your website. Step number 2, scroll down to where it says WooCommerce and select Settings. Now, odds are if you're watching this video, you're going to notice something that my screen has that your screen doesn't. So my screen says coupons, but by default WooCommerce does not show this option. So in this step, when you select Settings, it's going to take you to the General tab. Scroll all the way to the bottom and there's a little checkbox that says Enable the use of coupon codes. Make sure to check that off and then scroll to the bottom and select Save Changes. This will give you this option on the left side for coupons. I'll give you a moment to do that. Now select Coupons. We're going to be setting up our first coupon together. Go ahead and select Create your first coupon. The coupon code goes on top. I recommend something short and one word, so T51. The discount type, this gives you the different options you can have, so a fixed cart discount, a percentage discount, and a fixed product discount. So we like to do percentage discounts. So we'll go ahead and we'll put 50% off. And if this coupon expires at any time, you can set the dates right here. So we'll say it expires on the 30th. Make sure to look at usage restrictions and usage limits. So usage restrictions, is there a minimum spend? Is there a maximum spend? Some clients may have this, some may not. It really depends on what your site is and isn't doing. Also the same with usage limits. If you just want to have, say, 100 of these coupons, that's where you put it. Or let's say you have a lot of deals going on and you don't want your customers using the coupon 1,000 times, so you can say that the customer can only use the coupon 2 times. And that's it. Once you've filled out these fields, make sure to select Publish, and then when you go to your checkout, you'll have the option to add your coupon code. Let me know what you guys think of this video. If you have any questions, ideas, thoughts on next videos, please leave a comment below. We do read them and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks.